of day 5. Just sat down. It's been, I think we're going on 11 hours now. But all good. We're still trying to, figure out some of the organization. There's still some obvious construction and things going on. So there's the install training day, and then there's the clean up and organize and finish up. So, and now I'm waiting on a load of laundry. So I thought I would just pop in. So today I've got it put away, so I won't be able to show it till tomorrow. But we did pick that pretty Romney fleece that I got at SAF in 2025. It's going to be beautiful. So it'll go on the fiber separator in the carder tomorrow. It's quite a large fleece. I think it's topping in just under 2 kilos, maybe like 1.8 kilos, something like that. We plied that gorgeous Perindale yarn that we started yesterday. That was from Watercolor Creek Farm. So I've got it here. See if I can show it off. I'll put in a photo. Hopefully I can manage that. And then we started. We put some Hillside Farms Icelandic through the carder, and this is actually some leftovers from the draw frame, so it's really well combed and lined, so it'd be beautiful for spinning wheel. Got 2 small batches of that, and then we've been working on the skein winder, comb winder settings and so forth. So obviously we use that with the Perindale too, but so we've got the half of the first batch of the Icelandic. This is, it's so soft. It doesn't feel like Icelandic at all. It is just gorgeous. It has this little bit of silver sheen to it. So I think I'm gonna have like 700 grams of that. I don't have my clipboard in front of me. So super beautiful. This should be a 3-ply DK. And then the Perindale is coming in kind of like a light worsted, so also a 3-ply. So that is what we got up to today.